going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, an everyday item that we like to get to keep us going throughout our day is getting a little pricey, and I'm talking about coffee. Now, if you're somebody like me that likes to go to Starbucks to get their coffee, you're gonna be spending $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 for one cup of coffee. Okay, now that is kind of crazy. So today I'm going to take you on a little bit of an adventure with me, and we are going to hack the system. I'm going to try to get you guys a Starbucks drink for $2. So stick around and enjoy the intro. Wow, the hair is crazy. Alright, so to do this, you're going to need the Starbucks app. Alright, so go ahead and download the Starbucks app if you haven't already and set up an account. Okay, so you're gonna go down to menu. You're gonna go cold coffees. Then you're gonna scroll down till you see iced coffees. You're gonna go scroll. You're gonna swipe left all the way till you see iced espresso. You're gonna hit iced espresso. You're gonna keep the size the way that it is. Not gonna touch that. But what you are gonna do is your ice preference. I don't think if you keep it at regular ice it's gonna change anything, but I'm doing light ice. And then you're gonna change the cup size to Venti. And you're gonna hit customize. Alright. Then you're going to add some cinnamon powder for the flavor. Splash of almond milk. Splash of creamer. Or splash of half and half. Then you're gonna add water. Very important, add water. Okay. Then you can also add whipped cream if you're somebody that likes whipped cream. I'm gonna leave it out for today. And we're gonna add to the order. $2.86. It's not bad. It's better than $5 or $10. So $2.86. That's not bad at all. So now we gonna pick up our coffee. All right. So now we gotta go pick this thing up. It should be already done by now. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking like, man, adding water to that thing, it's probably gonna be gross. But I'll tell you what, it is not gross, that's for sure. Now we wait. Good, man. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Alright, so now this is what it looks like here. Just your regular iced coffee.
with your cinnamon on top. Not bad. Not bad at all. For $2. Telling you guys, if you don't believe me, give it a shot for yourself. I will throw a screenshot up on the screen for you so you can see, you know, the recipe fully again. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.